trying to add a payment method to your TikTok and you're stuck at doing that. Now looking here on the screen, this is what you're actually seeing. While you try to add a PayPal account or any other payment method on TikTok, and it is showing you couldn't add the payment method. This PayPal account is registered in a region that does not support the service. Add the payment method, add the PayPal account registered in other region, or contact PayPal for more information. So right here, you can't actually add your PayPal account or any payment method on TikTok because you are actually using a payment method that is not allowed in your country. Now let's say for instance you are from country like Nigeria and you want to add a PayPal account. Meanwhile, PayPal is not actually available for Nigerian users. You can't actually use PayPal account as a Nigerian. You can actually use it only if you have someone who have it in other country where it's actually accepted. Then you can actually get their Gmail linked to their PayPal account and link it to your TikTok account. So that is the only way you can actually get the PayPal account linked into your TikTok account. So the reason why you're actually seeing this is because you actually created that PayPal account in your country. And meanwhile, that PayPal account is not allowed in your country. So there is nothing you can actually do in order to add that PayPal account to your TikTok account. So you can actually contact anybody in country like US who have a PayPal account that is actually working, someone you actually trust, then get that person details and link it to your TikTok account. That is the only way you can actually do it. Or you can actually look for other payment method in order to link it to your TikTok account. So this is how you can actually fix it, by getting a payment method that works for your country and not the one that does not actually work for your country. If you're a Nigerian and you created a PayPal account in your country, you can't actually link that account to your TikTok account. So you need to look for a foreign PayPal account, a PayPal account that is not from your region, and link it to your TikTok account. That is the only way you can actually fix this problem. It's that simple. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit